Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Today we're giving away a Live Life Simple sticker and a silicone mat, and obviously it'll depend on what size freeze dryer you have, what we send to you, so we'll reach out to get your information on that. But we're gonna pick the winner in an interesting way today. Actually, we're not going to, Murphy is going to. I'm gonna put 3 treats on the ground, as well as 3 winners. Murph, come here, bud. Treat. Come on, Murph. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? All right, that one fine. Now he's going for a second one. All right, so the winner is, sorry that took so long, Kathy Gould of Stowe, Maine. So Kathy Gould, you have a Live Life Simple sticker and a silicone mat set coming your way. We'll reach out to see what size freeze dryer you need. Can't wait till tomorrow's giveaway. And just a reminder, all the giveaways are gonna get progressively bigger and bigger. I actually have some really exciting news. We have not only a freeze dryer to give away, we have an Avid Armor vacuum chamber sealer now, if you saw the video the other day. So that's going to be exciting. That'll be the day before Christmas, so stick around for that. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot.